What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Gold Garage, coming to you from the auction with another kind of unusual find. You don't see many of these. This is a Chrysler Aspen, okay? Basically, this is a gussied up Dodge Durango. I think overall it was sort of a flop for Chrysler. Even though I think they were a pretty good looking vehicle. Actually, I can remember back when they first came out in like 06, 07, my wife and I actually test drove one and came so close to buying a new one. I mean, we had the paperwork drawn. It was not, this is a top of the line limited with, oh, this one has the HEMI. We were looking at, I believe it was a limited as well, but it had the 4.7 in it, which I'm glad we never bought that, because Lord, those things, those 4.7s, they self-destruct. Now this one's good and used. It's got almost 200,000 miles. But one of the biggest complaints about these things were they were so damn big that they had no room. Look at that leg room, none. I think the third row has more. But yeah, that was one of the big complaints with these back in the day, was that they just, ooh, that's tiny by today's standards. This one I think is an 07. It runs really good. It's got nice Michelin tires all the way around. It's a trade-in at Hennessy Jaguar Land Rover 07, 196,602. And it's in pretty good shape for an 07. You know, I only saw one little dented area. And this one, man, this one is loaded. It's got four-wheel drive. Uh-oh, doors are locked. Yeah, got a little boo-boo down there. A little boo-boo there. Yeah. I mean, it's not perfect. Driver's seat. Got a little wear. See, it had these little suede inserts that, you know, over time start to look like junk. Oh, power door locks do not work. Okay, that's no bueno, man. Ooh, that sucks. No bueno. Do we have a tailgate button? Uh-huh. Uh-huh. You want to open for us? I don't know. No power tailgate, really? Kind of surprised. But yeah, I mean, you know, no room. I'd probably keep the third row folded all the time. But, you know, this would be a cheap little, you know, beater if you just needed something to get around town in with the kids or something. I mean, it's going to get horrible gas mileage. I mean, you just know it is. It just is. Let's see. Got nice little stereo. I think it's Infinity stereo. Got good cold air. Got heated seats. You know, it's got all the wood grain and the kind of aluminum accents and this little clock to make you think, ooh wee, how fancy. Power moonroof works, that's good. Let's take her down the track. I gotta turn that fan down some, that thing's loud. But this HEMI in this thing is healthy. It is very healthy. It runs so good. And actually, it drives surprisingly, you know, it's not clunky, or suspension doesn't seem, you know, it seems pretty tight. Now, it's like driving a damn boat, that's for sure. But nothing seems worn out, you know. Transmission's shifting good. You know what? I wonder if this is the 5-speed. Mercedes automatic transmission in this thing. Surely not. It's got to be a more beefed up Dodge version. I'm just not sure. Oh yeah, that full-time all-wheel drive, lock it in, baby. You know, it's got some get up and go, but it's not super fast. You know, I think what the HEMI makes probably about 340 horse. This thing probably weighs 7,000 damn pounds. This thing's a horse. It's a beast. We definitely have a problem with the radio. All it does is keep booting up and cutting off. Booting up and cutting off. So it's got to be yanked out and replaced immediately. Oh, I know, my seatbelt. I know, my seatbelt, my seatbelt, my seatbelt. So what y'all think? This is pretty interesting little unit here. I'm gonna put it back here in its little spot. Let's see, number 73. Put it back here in its little spot. I'll pop the hood. There's the E500. No backup camera? Wow. I guess 07 was a little early for that. There's the dent. I'm in the right spot. Looks good. Got a nice AAA battery in there. A couple of years old. I see a lot of original 2007 parts. Like, that alternator looks original. That AC compressor does. Maybe it's been a reliable unit. It's not bad looking for its age and miles. UNC Charlotte. Faculty member. I don't know. I'll keep it in mind. I'll watch it go through, see how much it brings, see what it might be worth. It definitely needs a little TLC. Need to yank that head unit out. Anyway, y'all like, comment, subscribe. We'll see you with the next one. Peace.